The water in the sea evaporates, evaporates, evaporates. The water in the sea evaporates all day long. The water in the sun forms the clouds, forms the clouds, forms the clouds. The water goes up and forms the clouds all day long. The water in the clouds condenses, condenses, condenses. The water in the clouds condenses all day long. The water in the clouds precipitates, precipitates, precipitates. The water in the clouds precipitates all day long. The water falls in the form of rain and snow, rain and snow, rain and snow. The water falls in the form of rain and snow all day long. The water cycle goes and round, round and round, round and round. The water cycle goes and round all day long. Thank you.